What is up, YouTube? It's Tyler with Taz Outdoors. Today's video, we're gonna head down to La Jolla, but the weather was kind of so we ended up mobbing all the way up to Morro Bay for a little day trip. Targeting rockfish, didn't really know the area. This was also back in the summer. We ended up with great weather up there. Had a great time. Hope you enjoy the video. Fuck. Gopher. Ah, there we go. Little gopher rock. Another gopher. Another little gopher. That's a good one. Oh. Holy shit. Whoa. Rockfish? Jeez. Let's go. Right under me, dude. Bro, look at this. A brown one, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's an olive. That was a good one. Oh, they just freaking swallow it. Homie just ate the big swim bait. It's a little guy too. It's probably like a baby ling or something. No, gopher. Little gopher. See you.
Might have gotten hit on the way down.
You think?
Maybe.
You got hit? Were you getting hit?
Either I'm getting continuously hit or I'm on.
So little guy? Yummo.
Oh, at the same time. Hey. Oh, yeah.
Let it back down, let it back down. Another. Huh? Yeah, there's one. Oh. Yeah. I don't think that's a gopher. Blue, baby. I'll show you right now. I think so. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it. It's a decent sized one. There we go. It's a gopher, I think. It's a good gopher, holy crap, but still a gopher. Oh, I fucked it. There we go. Oh, I fucked that. You got one?
Got that one.
Huh? Same thing? Yep, me too. Super nice gopher. That's not good. There we go, got it. Huh? Huh? Let's see. Jesus Christ, bro. Freaking gophers. All right, so we ended up with quite a few rockfish. Still kind of figuring it out. Never really been up there, never targeted them shallow, so it was a little different. But I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe.